Hello, welcome back. So we are up to this point in the painting. This is kind of the second point after the wash. So I brought down the colors, as you can see in the background here, and I replicated those colors in the water as a reflection. I'm now working on the clouds. I did it with a round brush, and it was wet on wet. And then the top layer was a layer of dry clouds of color. And I did it basically with my round brush in that kind of circular motion. I wanted to have the sense of the clouds of movement. So these top clouds are kind of moving, where these under clouds here are just moving in a horizontal direction. I did the dabbing method as we did for these, as I showed you when we did this, for the foliage. And now I'm going to just tap off the mountains here. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of using a palette knife. As you can see, I'm kind of spreading that white. And I'm going to do a couple of layers of this and just building up some of this texture. And I'm going to build up the color. And the thing is, I wanted to remind you when I did the other demo, when I was showing you how to do the mountains last time, this is kind of the last step, and I'm going to start bringing in some contrasting colors. And we had talked about our continuous palette and how we would do that. We would use like a lot, again, to remind you, a continuous palette is the colors that we use one color, and then we add another to that color to that color, then we add another color to that color, and another color to that color. So all of the colors relate to each other on the canvas. And this is this continuous palette. So I'm going to touch this up, and I really want to start bringing in the texture, and I'm kind of going to do that with my beautiful half blade here. And bringing in a lot of different color in the mountain at this time. And we're going to be building up this color too. So some of it is going to come off, some of it is going to be scraped away at this point, and we're just kind of layering it. So I'll show you the texture that I get up for the mountains up close. I did a whole another video on that. And you can see all that texture starting to build up on the mountains. So I'll polish this off, and I'll see you on the next step. Take care. Ciao.